Again, one of the most important parts that I always say to my clients or to my mentees is actually having multiple plans or having alternative plans or strategies. Meaning, if your plan A don't work, so maybe your plan B or plan C will work already when you apply it on the second time or the third time. So, in Tagalog po is definitely we should have or kailangan meron tayong scenario analysis or backup plan. Kasi minsan, ang mali po ng iba is nagpaplano sila nung natalo na sila. Ang sinasabi ko sa mga clients ko, sa mga tinuturuan ko, is having already the plan, nakalatag na bago pa man mangyari lahat. So, alam mo na yung gagawin mo kapag ka ito ay hindi nangyari, kapag ka ito ay pumalpak. So, makakabawi ka agad at planned and prepared ka. So, kaya that's why, don't forget to have multiple plans and alternative strategies. So, yun lamang po, follow for more contents like this.